It's a 2018 Cadillac XTS. This is a flagship vehicle in every regard. From impeccable details to the meticulously crafted interior, this chiseled beauty is elegant throughout. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, power tilt-down heated mirrors, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, Brembo 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, front wheel drive with traction control, driver and passenger front, seat-mounted and rear side impact airbags, and automatic transmission. Cadillac, a luxury maverick. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 1-866-460-9587.